name's Joanna, and this bathroom organizer was gifted to me to try out and review, and I have to say it was super easy to put together. No tools needed, just snap the pieces together and you're done in minutes. One thing I really can't stand is when everything is all over the place and I can't find what I need because it's buried under other stuff. The 2-drawer 4-tier design is perfect because it lets me see and access my everyday items without any hassle. Skincare, makeup, hair products all in one spot and easy to grab when I need them. It also just looks really nice on my counter. The clear design makes it blend seamlessly into my bathroom setup and it keeps everything looking neat and put together instead of cluttered. It's functional without being bulky, so it doesn't take up too much space, but it still holds a lot. It says it's dust-proof, and if this is true, this means less time cleaning and more time actually using my products. And if I ever want to move it, the detachable sections make it super versatile. I could even use it on my desk for office supplies or in the kitchen for small items. If you're looking for a quick and stylish way to organize your daily essentials, I definitely recommend checking this one out. I absolutely love it.